So we're just gonna film down this little area. There's kind of a thing down there, but we're gonna basically focus on this area. And just so you can give some context to it, the name of this street is called, it's right there, called Rua do Almirante Se. So that's the street we're gonna focus on. So stay tuned. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So here we go. We're gonna start at this one called the Black Pork. Black Pig. So this one's pretty well known. I've heard they have kind of a really good menu and a really good so we're basically gonna walk down this street, and this is kind of the main street that we're on. Kind of give you there's the street sign, and that's kind of the main. They're doing a lot of construction way down there. There's also a bara down there, Ama Temple, things like that. They have a pretty big wine selection in there. So what we're gonna do is just kind of stroll down, and we're going to go down some of these this little tributary thing as well. So there's Cafe This. There's a little construction. Let's go down a little bit more, and then we're gonna walk. Let me see, there might be one called Cafe. Well, we'll keep going down this way. So you got some restaurants here. Yeah. Cafe. Oh, this cafe has a bunch of old cameras and such. Kind of like antique cameras and antique coffee makers, I think. Box. Bottle caps. Here's a Thai restaurant right here. It's tasty as well. More stuff. I kind of want to take you down one of these little tributaries too, though, so let's go down. So basically you have all kinds of interesting things, and you got all these apartments that go up. Yeah, that has some Marilyn Monroe. Sit outside as well. There's a little spot here called something Cafe. I don't know where that one's at anymore. This one, Uji Mart Cafe. Yeah, this one changed names. Uji Mart Cafe. Oh, it's locked. It's closed. Okay, well, can't get into that one then. And then we're definitely going to come out here to the courtyard as well. So this is, you can probably label it the main street back there. Yeah, you got some artwork out here, so they kind of have some freights. Good terminal over there. Let's kind of go back this way. Now you can go and see all this kind of stuff too. And apartments. Got some mechanics. And I think we're gonna maybe stroll down one of the next streets here as well. Let me see. So yeah, this kind of gives you a little idea of this little area as well. So yeah, they kind of have all these little tributaries, a bunch of apartments that go kind of up around everywhere around us, right? So they're, and then that kind of goes back to the water behind us as well. So pretty cool. We'll just kind of come back out to the main street again. That's where they store their ladders, eh? Lots of motorbikes in here. And now we're back out at our main street again. Mechanic. Cafe. We're back here again. Alright, let's just end it right there.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha, toma cuidado da movidinha.